Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to print any document in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Simply open the Microsoft Word, create any document. Now I've created the document. Now I'm going to print this document. So simply click on File and here you can see the option of print. Click on it, select the properties, select the copies, quantity, 2, 3 or how much you want and simply click on print. So here you can print the document by following this process. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.